Hello, my name is Thomas Key, and this is our Stock of the Week strategy. Let's get to it and look at performance. Let me bring this to your attention. The alpha of 2.48 over the past 3 years in association with a 0.17 beta. How do you like that? How does that work? With risk control. This strategy is integrated with risk control, and we'll show you how that works. But with that risk control comes a material outperformance. Our Stock of the Week strategy is a fantastic strategy for a number of reasons, and it doesn't lack performance at all. Find it in our Stocks tab under Stock of the Week strategy. There you'll find our current Stock of the Week and the trading plan associated with it, a strategy description, and that performance table we just looked at. Click on More Details to get to that performance page. How do we use it? Our Stock of the Week strategy is simple. Every week, we use our stock correlation tool to find the stock of the week. The stock correlation tool requires us to have a look at the market and determine where the market's going. And then we use the correlation filter to find stocks that are likely to go along with the market. And specific to those, we find trading plans. But it all starts with market analysis. So let's do that first. You have a look at the market. You determine where you think the market's going to go. Midterm basis, we're talking about a swing trade because it's for the week that's coming up. We conduct this analysis on the weekend. Define where the markets are, having a look at support and resistance levels. Do your analysis yourself or use ours. But after you're done, go back to the stock correlation tool. Select swing trades if you're doing a swing trading objective, and take a look at some trading plans. You can select 4 different quadrants: long support plans, long resistance plans, short support plans, and short resistance plans. The tool will spit out trading plans for you objectively based on the stocks that are trading closest to their respective support or resistance levels, depending on which one you choose, which type of trading plan, of course. Our Stock of the Week strategy conducts this observation every weekend and then selects one of the stocks from the list. The result has been fantastic. The best part of the strategy is that you end every week in cash no matter what, and that allows you to start every next week objectively all the time. You're never stuck in a rut. You're always being objective, always trading new plans, and always managing risk. That's the key. We hope you love this strategy. You can do it yourself to find your own ideas too. Follow the same method and you'll get there.